Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Periodate HiO4 cleaves vicinal diol units adjacent of groups. Each cleavage of one C bond between two carbons bearing of groups consumes one equivalent of HiO4. Terminal CHO gives an aldehyde, or HCHO if it is CH2O. Internal CHO gives a formic acid, HCO2H, fragment when it has O on both neighboring carbons, i.e., it is a middle carbon, and a terminal CH3 CHO gives acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. Moving on to the next step. Draw 1, 2, 3 butanitrile. The structure is CH3CH, or CH, or CH2, or I, carbons C1 through C4 where C2, C3 and C4, using the numbering 1, 2, 3 butanitrile meaning O at C1, C2, C3, actually 1, 2, 3 butanitrile is O CH2CH, or CH, or CH3. So, C1 is equal to CH2 C2 is equal to CH, or C3 is equal to CH, or C4 is equal to CH3. Moving on to the next step. Identify vicinal diol pairs. Pair 1, C1 or C2 or 1 cleavage consumes 1,8 HiO4. Pair 2, C2 or C3 or 1 cleavage consumes 1,8 HiO4. Total 2 equivalents of HiO4 consumed. And for the final step, determine cleavage products. Cleavage of C1, C2, C1, CH2O, terminal, HCHO, formaldehyde, HCH is equal to O, C2 contributes to the other fragment. Cleavage of C2, C3, C2, internal, between two of bearing carbons, HCO2H, formic acid, C3CH, or adjacent to C4 is equal to CH3, terminal, CH3CHO, acetaldehyde. Weight C2 is cleaved on both sides, C1, C2 and C2, C3, so C2 gives HCO2H. C1, terminal, CH2O, gives HCHO. C3, terminal, CH, or CH3, gives CH3CHO. So products, HCHO, formaldehyde is equal to HCH is equal to O, HCO2H, formic acid, and CH3CHO, acetaldehyde is equal to CH3, CH is equal to O. HiO4 consumed, 2 equivalents. Match 2 options. Option B, 2 equivalents of HiO4 consumed and HCO2H, HCH is equal to O and CH3, CH is equal to O are formed. This matches exactly. Why other options fail? A. Only 1,8 HiO4 and gives a keto acid, incorrect. Both vicinal diol pairs are cleaved. C. 3,8 HiO4 and acetic acid, incorrect. There are only 2 vicinal diol pairs and acetic acid is not formed. D. 2,8 HiO4 but gives 2,8 HCO2H and CH3CHO, incorrect. Only 1,8 Formic acid is formed. The terminal CH2O gives HCHO, not formic acid. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.